As I mentioned before, Mom and I had the restaurant in Sturgis, South Dakota. And our busiest time of the year was the week during Sturgis Bike Rally. And we would be so swamped with bikers in the restaurant that it was really easy to get distracted and not notice things. So Mama pulled out 2 of her cream cheese coffee cakes out of the oven, and a biker at the counter saw her doing this. When she turned her back, he ran in the kitchen, grabbed one of the cakes, hightailed it out the front to his bike, and tore off down the road. Well, Mama wasn't about to let anybody get away with that. So she grabbed her spoon and her helmet and shouted for me and said, "Meet me out by the bike." I had a sidecar on my motorcycle at the time, you know, for Mama. And when I caught up to him, Mama swung that spoon like a baseball bat, hitting the guy in the back, causing the cake to fly in the air. Mama reached out and caught the cake in her spoon. We drove it back to the restaurant for the paying customers.